Good day, Miss Verano. Good day, Miss Verano. Please take a seat.
Thank you.
Hi, Miss Kla. Today is our termination session, the last meeting in our work together. Termination is important because it helps you understand your progress and prepares you to move forward without regular sessions. How are you feeling about ending our session?
I feel a little bit scared, but I also feel ready. I learned a lot about my anxiety and depression.
That's normal. Termination brings mixed feelings: sadness, fear, pride, and hope. It shows growth. Let's talk about your progress first, which is the first part of termination. In termination, we look at what changed and what you learned. When you first came, your anxiety was heavy. You had trouble sleeping, focusing, and talking about your feelings. You also felt quiet and alone because of your depression. Now, you've learned coping skills and how to express your emotions safely. Which skills help you the most?
The grounding exercises helps when I panic, and writing my feelings helps when I feel depressed.
That is strong progress, Miss Clares. Acknowledging your improvement is part of termination. It helps you see that you can continue healing even after our sessions end.
Before, your anxiety controlled you. You cried quietly and hid your feelings. But now, you tell me when you're having a hard day. You ask for space or to talk to me about what you feel.
I learned that it's okay to talk about my mental health.
And after termination, we will still be here to support you. Your progress doesn't end just because the sessions end. I know anxiety and depression don't disappear fast, but she is stronger now. After the social worker ends the session, our roles continues. We listen, understand, and stay patient with her healing.
Another part of termination is checking how you now understand yourself. What are you most proud of?
That I learned to ask for help, and I don't have to pretend I'm okay.
Good. And what challenges do you think you still face after termination?
Sometimes my depression comes back suddenly, but now I know ways how to handle it.
That awareness helps you move forward even after our sessions end.
You used to hide everything. Now, you message me when your anxiety gets bad. You ask me to sit with you when you feel depressed.
Talking helps me feel lighter.
And even after termination, I will still support you. I'll remind you to breathe, ground yourself, and rest. Termination doesn't mean the client is alone. It just means the worker's part ends. As your friend, I will continue helping her through her journey.
Now we move to the final step of termination, planning for your future. Here are my recommendations. First is to continue common schools. Second, join school's mental health support group. Third, go to regular counseling. Fourth, visit the mental health center. And lastly, save mental health hotline numbers. These recommendations make sure you have support after termination so you can continue feeling safe.
Thank you. This will help me a lot.
Termination is not the end of your healing. It is the beginning of your independence. You now have skills, strength, and support. What lessons will you carry with you?
That healing takes time, and I am not alone.
You've done great work. Thank you for trusting me. Today is our last session together, but your journey continues.